Hey Lucas Nation and KLP Worldwide fans, welcome back to Cooking with Chef K.L.P. This starts season 3. Who's ready for it? Now on today's show, we're going to show you how I do my smoked barbecue chicken wings. So please, let's get on with the cooking.
Yes indeed, of course it's the smoked barbecue wings. You just got to go out and go buy these wings. You can buy them from Walmart and Kroger. Here in the kitchen, we're going to need all-purpose enriched flour. That enriched flour is better for your chicken wings. Again, you're going to fry your barbecue chicken wings first. So what you want to do is you just want to slowly pour that flour into that bowl. You want to fill it up real nice and good, y'all. And then you just toss your chicken in there like that, nice and slowly. So then, after we get done putting the chicken wings inside the bowl, we're going to shake it up. And then the next step is, you're going to get the other bowl there, and what you're going to do, I had to wipe my hands down and make sure your bowl is nice and clean, of course. So then you want to cover that bowl on top of that other bowl, and then you just want to slowly shake it to get the flour encoded into your wings. Like so, what you're seeing there, you just want to shake it up real nice and good. So that way all the flour is coated onto your chicken wings like so. The next step is to dip your wings inside your fryer. Most people have deep fryers, so it's better if you have a deep fryer. It's going to taste as awesome, but if you just got a pot and some grease, that does the same trick. Yep, so you're just gonna dip it in there, coated chicken wings covered in flour. Now this is a messy dish to make with a lot of grease and a lot of flour. So you want a good proportion of flour and grease inside your pot. You don't want a whole thing of grease inside your pot, because then you're gonna waste a lot of grease. You just want it to be like almost halfway full of grease in your pot, of course. Now you got that sweet Baby Ray's barbecue sauce. That's the kind of sauce I like to eat. Of course you can get Masterpiece barbecue sauce. It's just Sweet Baby Ray's is a little bit better in my opinion. So what you want to do is you want to squeeze and squirt out the barbecue sauce onto your bowl. So you just want to squeeze it nice and firm. Let it get all over in there. Then next, you're going to have your spoon. I'm stirring it up because I did add some ingredients. You can add peppercorn to this barbecue sauce equation. You're going to need some pepper, just a hint of pepper. I wouldn't suggest putting too much salt into it, but if you would like salt in your sauce, you can. And I'm stirring it up real nice and smooth. So, big shout out to my friend David for giving me that for Christmas. That is a ingredient tower, a little bit of black peppercorn. So what you want to do is you want to take about 3 of the little balls there and just kind of toss them in there. You don't want to make it too much because black peppercorn has a bit of a spice to it. I don't want to create the illusion that the barbecue will be too spicy for the wings, but you want it for a little bit of flavor. So yeah, you want to stir that up real nice and clean. You want your sauce to be nice and creamy. You don't want it too hard, you don't want it too soft. Checking back on the chicken wings, it was a little slow-mo for you guys. So yeah, you want to make sure. The next step is to turn your oven on bake. Come over to your dial and put it on a good maybe 400 degrees. Again, there's another purpose to that step, which I'm going to mention up in a minute. You got your fried chicken wings there. Nice and crisp and nice and ready to be dipped into that barbecue sauce. So then you want to just toss it right into your bowl where your sauce is at. You want to take your spoon and you want to cover the barbecue sauce all over your chicken wings. All over. You want to dabble all over it. It's okay to add a little bit more sauce if you didn't add a little bit more sauce to your chicken wings. It's okay if you add a little bit more. You don't want too much into it, but it's alright to have a little proportion there. And then you're just going to cover it up like so. You want to make sure that sauce gets all around your chicken wings. You want to make sure it's all nice and creamy and colored. You want to make sure it's all covered. You need to see a little bit of that barbecue sauce all over the wings. Like so. Making sure that it's covered all over. Now the next step I mentioned about the oven in the kitchen, of course you want to make sure your oven is on the 400 degrees because now you covered your wings up with your sauce and you want to make sure that it bakes crisply nice onto your chicken wings. So again, referring back, your wings are covered up until your sauce now. You want to open your oven, of course, make sure it's set on 400 degrees. Make sure you have your chicken wings in a nice pan with a little bit of grease on there. You want to just toss it in there so that way your barbecue sauce can coat and bake onto the wings nice and successfully. Then you just close it up like so and you wait a good 5 minutes, and as it getting cooked onto the wings and make sure it's all covered and coated nice and clearly. This step is kind of important because if you just tossed your wings, your sauce is going to fall off and won't stick onto the chicken wings. So now there it is, the finishing product of the smoked chicken wings.
And that's how you do it, the smoked barbecue chicken wings. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that little segment there on the channel of KLP Entertainment. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you're new to it. And wait for more series of the Cooking with Chef K.L.P as we continue on with our Season 3. Until then, stay swanky everyone.